I gotta be honest with you guys, this 2026 Bighorn is pretty luxurious and it feels like a house. Oh my gosh, this even has a massage. Are we filming? Okay, you guys, this is pretty spectacular here. This chair massages your back. Not only does it massage it, it also heats it, and you can recline it. Here.
Wait.
What?
Are you telling me I don't have to massage your back anymore?
Nope. I've got
I'm
my
buying
chair.
it. I'm gonna buy two.
You have one for you over here, and
yeah, but we have
me.
two other kids, so we need two RVs.
The kids can go on that couch right there.
I guess so.
These are ours. And they've got these table trays here. You can work or you can eat your dinner and watch some TV on that televator that's hidden. Now, I should probably close. Yeah, let's do that. Let's just,
Yeah, we don't want it massaging the air.
You can also put this down and enjoy a cold one. Charging ports here.
That is fancy stuff.
It's fancy. That's all I gotta say. Windows all around. Notice this trim here makes it feel like you're in a house, like that residential feel. Blackout shades, or day shades, I should say, and our blackout shades are right here. Valences all around. Now you'll notice there's these recessed lights here and this panel with this glow.
It's glow, it's got an aura.
Yeah, it's LED lights that are just kind of reflecting off the ceiling, which adds on to that extra cool
Ambiance.
Ambiance.
Yes.
Oh, I like that.
Yes, I just learned that word today.
Check this out. Okay, I'm a little short, but we have a double decker.
We didn't bring her high heel shoes.
We have a double shelving here all throughout, and you can put your books that you're not reading often, or some games for your kids to play or grandkids when they're coming over. So those are great spots. Oh, look at that place to put your remote. Televator is over here. Window right behind it. Of course, you have your day shades and blackout shades. JBL soundbar. Fireplace here for that cozy vibe. And on either side.
And how much storage is there?
Oh my gosh. I feel like I'm just opening up doors here.
I have a lot of books to hide that I don't read.
You can make this minimalistic looking and hide all of your stuff. That's what I love. I don't want to be looking at that stuff. I want to have it hidden away and just have that clean look.
Yeah.
On this side, we have this L-shaped couch, and this ottoman is pretty cool. I'll show you.
That's magical.
You can store more books in there. I don't know. What else do people have besides books?
Well, I'm finishing my 30-second Swedish book, so I'm trying to learn it.
You're learning Swedish?
Yeah, I'm trying to. When you go to IKEA, you got to know what they're talking about.
Table trays here, cup holders, perfect for those dinners or you want to work from. Windows all around here.
There's
the giant couch. Recliners over there.
That's the amount of, they could have just put another one right there and just made a whole U shape, lock you in. Jeez, there's a lot of space.
Windows all around, these open up, and again with the recessed lighting and that symbiotic?
Hey. It's one of the biotics.
No words. Ambiance of those lights. And you'll see that throughout the RV. They really put in a lot of thought into the lights here. We have a propeller on the top.
They use that to wind turbines. Has it create electricity when you see them out in the cornfields? They brought one here for you.
It is a fan. It is a very modern looking fan, and I can appreciate the art in that. Behind this is gonna be a couple of cup holders, and that is pretty nifty that they use that corner up. We're gonna shimmy on over to this side. Now, you might be wondering, what is this? It is a desk for all sorts of things. If you're working, you can put your laptop here and definitely work from this space. Put your pencils and your papers here, nice and organized.
Looks like a desk where I keep my ink and feather, write love letters to you.
Aw, that's cute.
Dearest Val.
Now, this is pretty nifty. This pulls out, and underneath, you can even store your keyboard, mouse. You should look at this countertop. It's solid surface, and it has this like glistening glitter in there, shimmer in there. Oh my gosh. We have this area here for your dining and a nice little light fixture here. The cool thing about this table is that it actually pulls out into a larger table. All you have to do is just kind of pull on it, tug on it, and it will come out. So seat 4 people here comfortably. When you're done, kind of feeds itself into there. And then you can lock your chairs for travel days. Love this space. You can put a decorative plant. You can put a decorative piece in here. Underneath is where you'll find additional storage. So you can even put maybe some of your fancy plates away from everything else, and this serves as like kind of like a buffet. Underneath, maybe put some wine bottles. So you have that empty space there. Maybe things you're not going to be using often can be placed here so that you don't have to go underneath the desk every time.
Do you have a charging port? Look at that.
Charging port for your laptop if you wanted to have that on the desk.
I like cool things, man.
And these chairs
Good job, Bighorn.
really soft. They're very soft.
How soft?
Like a sheep.
Like a sheep?
Yes.
When was the last time you touched a sheep?
Probably last year when I was on a farm.
What'd you do on that farm?
Touch a sheep.
There you go. You guys heard it here first.
Windows on this side. Those are fun to pull. Don't mind me. Into the kitchen, we have our light fixtures here, generous amount of counter space here for your cooking, big sink, rinse your cup here, and soap dispenser.
It's got everything here for you.
Yeah. Now this is gonna be your cutting board.
Oh, that's cool.
And right below is a trash can, and you can have this as you're cutting some cucumbers and you have some scraps, just slide it into the slot right here, into the trash. Gold hardware, love that, it's beautiful. Again, with our dovetail, really reinforced high-end doors.
Those things aren't going anywhere. It's residential grade, guys.
Yeah, those are pretty solid. Now, pots and pans can maybe go in there, maybe some cleaning supplies, or just giving you some options. Utensils can go here or here.
You need a junk drawer somewhere.
And then we also have this place to put your pots and pans, so they're nice and sturdy and they're felt lined.
Things that are like glass,
For your
especially when
pots
you're
and
traveling.
pans.
What if you have like you're gonna be making a cake, right?
Pots and pans. Crock pot, spices, maybe some cups, plates, microwave, our window that is right here so you can see what's going on. 4-burner stovetop, counter space on either side, and check this out. You can fit a whole entire turkey in there and maybe some veggies.
A big one too. Not a baby one.
You can multitask in this oven.
You guys can just see it looks like a home.
It looks
really
like a
does.
house.
The way they designed it, you wouldn't think you're in an RV.
And I think the reasoning with all the lighting is that they use some of the like darker colors, like this darker brown, but it's not too dark, but it's dark enough. And they give all this like ambiance lighting for that reasoning.
It's like a coffee color. Feels like coffee.
It's
If
like
you're
a
into coffee,
yeah.
like, this is a perfect RV.
Oh, look at this one. Nice and deep. Outlet here if you want to put an appliance. Nice design here on the island, as well as the sliding here.
It's the little details.
The little
They
details.
thought of everything, guys.
Did we talk about this fridge?
Nope, but that is a fridge if you've never seen one.
It's a residential style fridge.
These are GE appliances, guys. So this is good stuff.
And you can even get ice in here.
What? What's ice?
Love this door here because it's different, you know? Usually you'll see like a blah door, I call it.
Blah door.
Is very boring. This is not boring. It's glass, reflective. Pantry that lights up. We have outlets here in case you want to put a coffee maker, maybe a small like blender or something in there. We have this additional pantry here that is also lit. Now it doesn't have an outlet. That one does.
I would probably put like, I don't know, all kinds of cereals.
You can put a lot of cereal in there.
What's my favorite cereal is probably Cap'n Crunch.
That's a good one.
It is a good one. All that red dye, 40.
We have this open shelving here for cute plants. Are you kidding me? They have, or even up there.
Up
Like,
there.
Are you kidding me?
The ones that you like can be right there. The ones that you don't like can be up there.
Over
Keep
there?
them away. Keep them away from the ones you like.
Now, the cool thing about this corner right here is that if you look here, you'll see a little compartment here. It opens up, and this is where you're gonna put your vacuum hose.
Oh, that's perfect. If I got to clean this in between the couch and stuff, all those crumbs.
You don't have to buy a vacuum. You don't have to worry about that. All that is already built in here. And if you're gonna be sweeping away those, you know,
That's nifty.
dust and things and
Just
dirt.
Take your broom, open that up, and it goes right in.
Take your broom, shove that dirt into the wall, and so easy peasy. Now we're gonna check out this area here.
It's a lot of closets.
You can put hooks in. Oh, there's.
You don't even need to. They did it for you.
They already did it for you. This is gonna be your control panel for basically everything in this house. Super smart. Up there, put a couple of hats, maybe scarves, maybe mittens if it's cold outside.
Yeah, because you could take this thing out and then you could put your shoes under the stairs.
Shoes can go under here.
That's very nifty. And if there's a bunch of dust from the shoes and grime and sand, you just sweep it into your sweeper.
Yeah. Now these are motion detecting lights, so in case you want to grab a snack at 3 a.m., you certainly could.
I can't be clicking buttons and stuff, forget that.
No, yeah. Shower. Sorry, I got too excited. And they put in like almost like a amber colored skylight.
Yeah.
Shower head. You can use a wand. Jets over here. Bench to sit in case you want to enjoy a hot shower. And of course your sliding doors. Love this marble style shower. On this wall, we have these towel holders.
Yeah, notice they have that
Ooh.
entire wall with the same color. So
Same
it's
color.
nice.
It looks good. Sometimes it will be like really, really dark and dungy looking, like you're in your dungeon. This feels very high end, very rich. Towels, paper towels, maybe even like toilet paper can go in here. This is where you do your business. Plenty of leg space. That's always a huge plus. You want to be comfortable on the toilet. Lit mirror. It's pretty lit.
It's got that nice little glow around it as well.
That's the theme here. I love it.
Very glowy.
Nice counter space, solid surface, matte black faucet, and look at that. This is where you have your toilet paper. So they hid it away.
Are you even gonna reach that?
Make sure you tell your guests that it's in here because they will be looking around all of these walls and be like, yo, there was no toilet paper. And you're like, yo, did you check the door? Scrunchies, hair stuff, skincare, all can go over here. And there's plenty of space for that. Love this design on this wall because it gives it almost like that farmhouse feel to it, but it's almost like a high-end farmhouse feel.
A high-end farmhouse, a bougie farmhouse?
Yeah. And of course your towel holder. If you want privacy.
See, towel holder. Oh, that's what they look like. I always wonder.
If you want privacy, there's a door. It's a pocket door. Now we're gonna go into the bedroom.
You do have a window right there.
Yeah, notice this window here.
It's perfect. Walk out.
Nice
outside.
Door to the bedroom. King size bed. Nightstands on either side. You're gonna put your little phone here.
Do you guys notice the color change? It went from dark to white.
Oh yeah, it's really light and bright. Windows all around, and you're gonna have shades, of course. And notice the curved ceilings. I don't know if we could see them in here.
Maybe.
But they're definitely.
Oh, yeah, you can. Look at that. So they do have it here as well.
So you can actually see it right here.
There you go.
Whoop. Feels a little different.
Yeah, because usually you're going to go into these just flat square. Completely has a different feel to it.
Underneath the bed, you get all of this stuff for free.
Yep.
And.
Or you buy all this stuff and get an RV for free.
How about that?
I know. Glass half full.
Yeah, this is going to be a place to put your sweaters, things you're not going to be using often, holiday stuff, but you want access to, and it's on a hydraulic little hinge, so you can definitely pull that up with one hand. If you need to charge your phone, here are the outlets. Closet door looks like this.
Oh, full-size mirror, look at that.
You can check yourself out and see your whole entire outfit. That is a huge plus. But
that's what I do all the time, every morning.
Yeah? You can see your outfit. That's a huge thing. As a woman, I need to see what I look like. I need to see if my outfit looks good. And that is great. Hangables can go here. Shoes, scarves, handbags. If you love handbags.
Yeah, it goes right on through.
And if you wanted to make a his and her closet, you certainly could. They've put in a couple of rods here, or you can even take this out and use this as a washer dryer area because it is prepped for that, as well as those outlets.
That's your extra chairs, by the way, guys.
Extra chairs.
So if you have guests over.
You have grandkids, kids coming over to visit you in cool places, they certainly can. You just grab those chairs and set them out. That way you're enjoying a nice dinner together. TV in this built-in, it's kind of built in there.
So at least the TV isn't sticking out by itself. It gives a little bit of a look.
Yeah, it looks nice in there. It's not just stuck up on the wall. Valances and window. You have this hidden compartment here, which is pretty cool. Oh my goodness gracious.
That's where you hide your cash.
This is where you hide your cash.
Great place to hide your cash.
Diamonds and jewels.
Don't tell anyone.
Drawers, again, with a dovetail. It is reinforced. Boom. And lighting underneath for that little ambiance that we were talking about. That's a great looking bedroom. And this bathroom is pretty fantastic. Now let's go over some specs. So your unloaded vehicle weight is at 14,845. Gross vehicle weight is at 17,995. The length of this bad boy is at 43 feet. The exterior height is at 13 feet. Freshwater capacity is at 75 gallons. Gray is at 87 and black is at 50. All right, let's go outside. Let's check out the outside. The safety rail here. Notice the colors. They're white, black, and gold, which is cool. Square windows, and you'll see that, minus that one. But on this side, you will also see those square windows. I think a lot of RVs are doing that, and it looks modern. Here's our storage. Put your fishing poles, camping chairs, maybe a grill.
Gazebo. I'll probably fit in there.
Now, this is pretty cool. This is a central vac system, which means that when you're done vacuuming, you just open this up, there's a bag in there. Easy cleanup. You don't have to worry about changing out those bags and those little, having a vacuum, honestly.
You don't need a vacuum at all. Yeah.
You just have a hose and it makes life so much easier. Outlet here, JBL speakers. You'll notice JBL speakers out here. So in case you want to have a party.
I do love to party.
Propane tank number 1. The front end looks pretty juicy.
The black looks nice for sure.
It looks nice. It looks pretty beefy. You have your Kurt Helix here.
Which is very nice, especially if you're on the road. It's gonna be a very smooth ride, guys.
Smooth sailing. This area is prepped for your generator, in case you want to put that in there. It comes with solar on board. So all you have to do is just plug in a generator. Side camera prepped, slide up here, and another propane tank. Actually, 2 can go in here, but we only have 1 here, but you could definitely get a 3rd one.
So if you're really gonna be going off the grid, you got a lot of propane tanks.
You can live off grid. You can be in the West, Badlands.
Ooh, that's a fun place.
Other side of the storage, and that's gonna be our auto leveling system there. Outdoor shower.
Then you have all of your gray and black tank poles right there.
That's usually your job. Some women do it. Some women do it.
It's all right.
I don't. All right, and then, of course, access to the back of the fridge in case there's something fishy going on with your fridge.
It's very convenient because a lot of RVs don't do that. And fridges, they do sometimes fail.
Yep, Mark, do you want to talk about that?
Yeah, so check out those rims, guys. You do have ABS brakes, and you do have a nice suspension from Lippert. I mean, we're talking about safety, guys, here. Safety.
Safety first. All right, so there's 3 slides here. Check this out. This makes life so much easier when it's rolled up like this. And there's a control button to basically
pull it in,
pull it in, pull it out.
That's awesome. That saves so much time. And hands. They're always on the floor, so they always get dirty.
Yes. This ladder is going to be access to your solar and the roof.
Really nice.
Hitch.
So this hitch is pretty cool. You could put your bikes on it, or you could even tow something. Well, pretty much pulls up to 3,000 pounds. Little boat. You got to check if your state allows it, of course.
And our Bighorn logo. And a window. This looks nice.
Yep.
It is prepped for your backup camera, in case you want to put those up, for easy maneuverability and parking.
It doesn't have that older swooshy lines, right? These are straight lines here.
Straight lines. Yeah, it's more linear.
Things are getting more modern nowadays. We're into
It does look more modern. Awning that goes all across this slide, and as well as an awning that goes all across that. LED lit, of course, so you could see what you're doing at night in case you want to grill out here, have some friends, chairs, and get that JBL speaker going. Coolest part of all, though, is if you buy this at Blue Compass, you get these amazing perks. Buying any RV from Blue Compass gets you the RV Complete VIP membership, which includes unlimited towing, windshield repair, and your very own RV tech, as well as other amazing benefits, and exclusive Loves discounts. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys love this unit as much as I do. It's pretty luxurious. When you come inside, you feel bougie. And don't forget those massage chairs. That's pretty cool. Anyway, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.